Are you interested in playing games and earning cryptocurrency rewards? Then sit back and let me tell you about the Wildforest Play to Airdrop campaign. With Wildforest, you can play the game and compete on the global leaderboards to stand a chance to earn the WF token rewards at the end of the campaign period. Wildforest already held its first Play to Airdrop season, which lasted for 4 weeks and had more than 44,000 players participating. Players completed tasks in-game to earn honor points, and the top 4,000 players with the most honor points received an allocation of WF tokens for their efforts. But that wasn't all. Every other player with more than 4,000 honor points were placed in a raffle to share another 1,000 airdrop allocations, allowing even more players to be rewarded for their efforts. The airdrop token can then be spent in-game or converted one-to-one into on-chain WF tokens once the token generation event happens. But that's enough about Season 1. Wildforest has already announced that another season of Play to Airdrop will be holding very soon, and you should be getting ready to rank up the leaderboards to secure your spot and earn some sweet rewards. So, how can you position yourself for the next season? First, you definitely need to download the game. It's available on Google Play and App Store, and just recently Wildforest is also available on PC. Next, you should learn how to play the game. Since this is going to be a Play to Airdrop campaign, you're going to need to earn points for actually being good at the game. So play the tutorial and practice different strategies and decks in-game to improve your skill and get better. Next, you need to keep an eye out for announcements on the Wildforest Discord. A lot more information about the airdrop campaign will be shared here, including how much allocations, how many players will qualify, when the airdrop will be, and many more. You can also make new friends and meet new people on the Discord as well. Finally, you can also get yourself some Lord NFTs. Lord NFTs were a major part of the first Play to Airdrop campaign, so it's possible that they could also count towards the second campaign. You can get some Lord NFTs for yourself on marketplace.skymavis.com and search up Wildforest to see the Lord NFTs. There are just 3,000 of these NFTs, making them quite rare, so you can pick them up in preparation for the Lord NFTs. As the game launches, these NFTs are sure to have even more value outside the airdrop campaign. To buy a Lord NFT, you'll need a Ronin wallet with RON tokens, which you can get from any centralized exchange and transfer to your wallet. Once your wallet is connected to Sky Mavis, you can click on any of the Lords you want to buy and either make an offer if the listing price is too high, or you can secure it immediately and sell it up later if you'd like. The full game launch is still on the way, so you have enough time to start training, start practicing, and get better for the Play to Airdrop campaign. So head over now to playwildforest.io to download the game and get started.